we're reviewing my latest truck, a 2024 Akins Ford F250 limited covered edition bad boy. I am loving this truck so much. Before we get started, I must tell you that nice things like these gold sunglasses don't fulfill me. They don't complete me or give me the joy that you see me extend to you all every single day. And on the real, I'm not really a gold guy, so we're done with those things anyway. We're going straight to the black, baby. Looking amazing. But in all seriousness, you hear me talk about my faith all the time, and my faith is what gives me my peace and comfort and perspective. And don't leave, but let me tell you real quickly why I believe in God. I trust in the truth that Jesus Christ is our Savior and that God created us all. I don't believe that things come from nothing. I believe that things come from something. And so I trust that in the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Second reason, love. We see so much evil in the world today, and of course we believe in the devil and evil, but what does that counter? There's got to be good. There's got to be love. Where do we have this inert need to love and be kind and generous and purpose? We know that we're put here on this earth for something more than to just be here. Where does that drive? Where does that hunger? Where does that need and desire to go next level and live life to the fullest and truly love and care for one another? It comes from God. And the third reason is evidence. That book called the Bible, that's over 2,000 years old, has so many written true testimony accounts of how Jesus lived, the miracles he performed, and the fact that he truly died on the cross and rose again 3 days later and was seen by over 500 people. Nobody can deny that. So I put my faith in Jesus Christ, and my joy, humbleness, and gratitude and swagger does not come from the vehicle behind me or the clothes that I wear, but the faith that I have. And one sweet day, I'll be in heaven for eternity. You know I've earned the right to tell you how I feel, like I do every single day when it comes to my family and everything auto. So thanks for sticking around. We go get after it today. If you still watching, I'm telling you, it's gonna be worth your while. And Melissa with Tom James, look at me, y'all. Look at your boy. Got the custom jacket on with Real Deal on the inside. Do you see it? Do you see it? Custom everywhere. It's about custom. It's better than stock. From head to toe, you know I rock the custom lifestyle, and the vehicles is right there with it. Just recently, we hooked up the owner of Blue Delta Jean Company. I got his jeans on. They are the best fitting, wearing, and looking jeans I've ever had. Got to order some more right now. Got to get Mr. Brad Akins a pair as well. And you're probably wondering, what the heck is going on? Why do you have a knife on your hip? Well, let me just tell you, this is my good luck charm. I mean, what is your good luck charm? Mine just happens to be John J. Rambo's Rambo First Blood Part 2 knife. I've carried this thing with me on so many monumental occasions, and it has come through for me time and time again. They drew first blood, not me. Let's review. Look, y'all, it's 95 degrees out here. I'm not about to wear that out here reviewing this bad boy for y'all. So we're going straight for the Ken Griffey 24 swag for 24 inches in 2024. And you know, I couldn't go without getting these Allen Edmonds shoes off and going straight to the Griffey ones with the 24 on the side. You know what's up. Much better, much better. This is how you're used to seeing me, and I feel more like myself in this swag right here. I love to dress up. Everybody can dress up, and we see it on a daily basis, but Blue Deltas with Griffey swag and a Rambo knife, that's the only real deal. This is my current setup, a 2024 Akins Ford F250 Limited in a Gate Black. This is our covered edition. I had many thoughts and plans about taking this one up, Everest Edition style, 4-inch or 5.5 inch. Just wasn't sure. I knew I wanted to run 24s because it's 2024, duh. I ultimately was thinking doing 38s initially, but like, hey, I have not shown this variation yet. We've done 37s on 22s, 20s, 18s, and 17s, but to my knowledge, never 37, 13.5, 24 on my most popular wheel setup, 24x11 0. And the black on black, perfection. I did not want to go all black on this. I definitely wanted to do a gloss black and milled wheel and just tone down some of the chrome, which I'm about to go over with you. Primarily because of this limited grill. This is by far my favorite grill of all time because of that tribute billet grill style, horizontal bar, top and bottom. Looks amazing. You go to a platinum or a layer, you got the same grill. So a one of one, have this grill, you know you got a limited, and it looks incredible. So just blue to black on the front, trimmer valence down below because the stock valence is no good. Gonna add some BMC lights in the front, probably coming up next. This is a project, y'all. It's gonna be more things to come. I'm just testing and seeing, like these side mirrors, kept the cap chrome, but all of this texture right here, remove that. A Gate Black, a nice rim paint. Austin always hooks me up with just leaving the side ambers unpainted and just doing a Gate Black on the rest. Side badge here, all that texture, a Gate Black. Even the F250, even around the Limited, it just made it more premium and more legit, which is what we're all about. Just like that high output, even though it does suck the DEF fluid like I've never seen. So as I mentioned, we were going to go 4-inch or 5.5, so I put just a cheap ready lift 2.5-inch puck style spacer on the front, and I I've been very happy with it. Actually, overall, I do prefer the coil spring. It does ride better, but this does not ride bad at all for what it is. We're on factory shocks with shock extensions down below. And I must say that towing with this thing, it's not very pleasing. On this stock shock, very abrupt with all the imperfections in the road. Definitely going to shocks next, but it's important to me. I've driven this thing about 3,000 miles with a puck style spacer and factory shocks. I want to tell you how it handles and what the characteristics of it are, because I always drive stuff custom and I only have that perspective. So it's important to me to drive stuff when it sucks to let you know what we can do to make it better. And just have a moment of silence for the 24x11 American Force Lexars 24x11. It's a sweet spot overall. The Lexar was my second choice. You'll know my next truck what my first choice was when we go big boy status again. 37, 13.5, 24 Toyo Open Country mud terrain tires. I love this tire along with the Trail Grappler. They have different sizes that I love. These different setup and mild to wild scale, about 3 inches overall is sticking out, which to me is a perfect balance. And we're just 2.5 inches leveled in the front. Nothing in the rear besides airbag. And to me, this truck doesn't look as good as our Everest Edition trucks like Dr. Drew's that we just did. Hurt my feelings so bad because it has so much substance and brawniness and ruggedness and toughness to it. But for me, on an everyday standpoint, I like our Covert. And I've told you that many times. A level truck, you can accommodate 37s, and it's a money setup. On the real, everything we do is a money setup. But it's about what works best for you. Here's the Ready Lift Logic Q rear airbag system. I love the dual bag. I think it just gives a better overall articulation and balance between front and rear of the rear axle. On the app of your phone, dials into how many PSIs you want to run independently or both at the same time. Got rear wheel well liners to clean up that out back. The side bed step, painted it all agate black as well. And look right here, y'all. It is Pride Month, and this is my pride flag. The rainbow was a sign from God after Noah's Ark time period, as a sign for he always has our back. And it's been convoluted and twisted in so many ways, like so many things are in this world today. But you got to stick to your guns, y'all. One nation under God. Rowan Lock A-Series bed cover, just because it's been tried and true for me for over 15 years. All the retractable styles are great that we offer, from Retracts and Pace Edwards and more. Third brake light, agate black, smoke just on the red portion. On the white, no smoke at all for that contrast to blend with the chrome. Something special about the Griffies and the 24. Show me somebody in the auto game that's doing it like we are. That's real deal. Applique, perfection, agate black with the brushed aluminum top and bottom and limited letters for a distinct and bold detail, blue to black just like on the front. And the tail lights, I told Austin, look, let's don't go all black, let's show some detail. So a very light smoke with agate black, all the border perimeter, and did not paint the reverse at all, and I think it looks great, even more detailed. Rigid SRQs in the back, great for hooking up the trailer at night before we go racing, and B&W hitch to cap it off. We got 16 of these legit Wild Willies rock lights all the way throughout the vehicle to light up the night. For me, it's to stunt, but it's also functional. On a 360 camera at nighttime, I use it as a work light all the time. The inside is a love-hate for most of you all, but I truly love it. The Admiral Blue with the contrasting pillow top gray with the Alcantara suede gray headliner. Incredible. The inside vibe is totally different from a black vehicle, but the black interior is still great, but the Limited just hits totally different. Got my Liquid Death to roll with it and all of my gear, hats, and more. I live out of this thing, y'all. Base knob lets you know I got the bump in the trunk. 310s under the bottom, seat back, downfire. They sound amazing. I'm a big audio guy. It sets the tone when I'm at the gym or cruising for an epic day. Truck is just absolutely gorgeous to me. The contrast of the chrome and the black with the balance of the wheel and tire combo, to me, is perfection. I thank you all for watching today. Stay tuned for more. I won't stay in this truck long. Someone wants to buy this truck, hit me up. I'll sell it to you and do something else, no problem. But I'm truly loving my latest Covert rendition. I don't know you, but I'm rooting for you because you're a child of God, just like I am. No matter where you're at in your life, where you live, what your hopes and dreams or beliefs are, I believe in you, and I'm here hoping for your success and positivity every single day. Thanks so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button and give me a like. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.